The Constitution of India, adopted on 26 January 1950, is the supreme law governing the nation, drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the Constitutional Assembly. It enshrines the principle of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. A comprehensive document, it declinates the structure of government, fundamental rights, and directive principles. India's federal system balances power between the central government and states. The President is the ceremonial head, while the Prime Minister leads the executive. The judiciary, headed by the Supreme Court, safeguards the Constitution.
The Constitution is divided into 22 parts, addressing various aspects of governance, from the distribution of the powers between the Union, the directive principles of the state policy. The fundamental rights include the right to equality, freedom of speech, and protection against discrimination.
A federal structure divides the power between the center and the state. Our constitution is a living document. It can be amended according to the societal needs while preserving its core values. India's secular fabric is evident in its commitment to religious freedom.
Amendable yet robust, the Constitution has evolved through the time, adopting societal changes. It has weathered challenges, enforcing India's commitment to democratic ideals. The judiciary, as the guardian, if the Constitution plays a pivotal role in interpreting and upholding its provision. In essence, the Constitution of India stands as a testament to the nation's commitment to democracy, secularism, and the rule of law, providing a guiding light for the world's largest democracy.